What's up, guys? It's me, Dylan, and today I have a flashlight, and I'm in the dark, so we're just gonna see what happens. It's pretty dark. Yeah, we're just gonna see if I can find any crap, or if here's my face. Yeah, that's my face. If you can see that, that's my face. I haven't uploaded in 57 years, but oh God, that's a very bright light. I haven't uploaded in 57 years, but I guess that's okay. I don't know, there could be some turtles. I mean, it rained a couple minutes ago before it got dark. But hopefully some of you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel and some of you guys are still up so that you can see this video in case of any findings. Now, I don't make thumbnails for my videos because I like surprises. Like, I don't do clickbait. That's all I gotta say. I did clickbait for one video, alright? It's the snake video. I'm gonna the dead snake video. What I did is I basically what I did is I found the snake dead under a rock with a bunch of fire ants before I made the video, right? And then when I did that, I recorded a video, and at first I was going to act sad because I wasn't going to lie to nobody, but then I decided to do clickbait, so that's what I did. I don't even know if you call that clickbait, but it's your decision, guys. We're just going to look under this real quick. And put that in between my knees. And that ain't gonna work out so good. Because the flash, oh, there's a cockroach of some sort. I shined the light right on him. There's not much of anything, really. Maybe a couple of isopods, roly-polies, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, I broke that whole thing. Where do I go now? Ooh, look at that. Look at all them mushrooms. There's some big old shrooms. Ah. Okay, this is kind of... It's pretty dark. Maybe I can... I wonder if I can... Heck yeah! Hey, look at that. I have a light. It's a pretty good light. I guess you can say I don't need this anymore, you stupid piece of crap. Hi guys, it's me, Dylan. I just figured out that I can turn my phone light on, so I'm gonna just leave that right there. Anyways, you guys can now see my hands, which is pretty dope. Okay, this is actually kind of scary. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to get attacked by any sort of... Now, you guys can't see from there to out there. You guys can only see down here. My hand is glowing. I think that's pretty cool. There's a moth. Oh, shoot. Dude, why am I so scared? I've never been this scared. Alright, guys, if I see a copperhead, wish me luck. I want to see a copperhead. Ain't no darn snake. Who sees a snake in that? If you see a snake in that, you're a psychopath. Shoot. I could probably find some night crawlers. It doesn't seem that there's really anything left. Oh, that looks pretty. Ooh, that's the smallest spider in the center of that. If you guys can see that. Yep, I can see that pretty good. This is interesting, you know. I'm scared. You know, over there I saw a salamander. So that's pretty cool. I don't really know where to look, bro. I mean, I don't know how this video is going to turn out, to tell you the truth. I might have to make one straight up in the... Ow! Ow! Son of a gun. Bro, where did that get scratched at? Oh, it's right there. This freaking wire, bro. This freaking wire freaking cut me, bro. Who does that? Me. Alright. Let's see. God. Oh, God. I don't know, to tell you the truth. I can look over here for a copperhead. I can look. Oh my God. 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 Okay. Is that a salamander? That's a salamander. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Oh my God. Holy cow. You guys can see that. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's a friggin'... That is crazy. That is awesome. Holy cow. Okay, that was the coolest crap. There's a couple of slugs too. Oh, bro, where did he even come from, bro? Where did he go? Oh my God. Oh, he's right there. 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 Get him. Sook. Get him. Come on, dude. Come on. Get him. Get my hand. Get my hand. Go the other way, please. He's on my finger. Come on, bro. Yes! He just crawled on my arm. He's on my hand. Oh, he's on my hand. Oh my God. He's right there. Get. Oh my God. Whoa, my God. Holy cow. Bro, that's crazy. Bro, I'm over here. It's a rainforest out here, dude. There's a whole salamander, bro. Holy cow, I got that on camera. Holy cow. That was a find. That was pretty darn cool. Now this light is gonna absolutely burn me, but that's okay. There's a worm and a beetle. Dude. That's awesome. I guess that's the find, I'll tell you that. I don't know where else to look. I mean, come on, man. I found a salamander. What else do you want from me? You guys saw that thing crawl out of wherever it went. This was a pretty unique stroll, wasn't it? That's pretty cool. I saw a big slug down here. Might be there again. That was the find right there. Alright, I mean, I don't know what else to do. I mean, what else do you want? I found a salamander. What else do you want from me? Found two salamanders, two big salamanders. One was small, and they were all huddled up in the same place. Well, I guess that's it. Bye, guys. Hope you guys see this video in the morning. I might record another one in the morning. So we got two strolls. We got trying to find the animals. I think the name of this video is going to be trying to find animals in the dark. With no clickbait, but I found a salamander, dude. I got so hyped that I think I woke the neighbors.